on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Welcome, Cruise Crew. This is the AUDIOZONE channel. I'm your boy Jay Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video for you guys, man. We got something pretty interesting, something a little bit different. We always have a lot of mopar content. Today we got something for your GM guys. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support, man. Truthfully, it's a blessing that you guys have given us for the support, man. We got a brand new 2020 GMC Yukon. If you've seen on one of my previous videos, and we've done a lot of audio and stuff to this build. We did these custom lights here on the side that y'all remember. We did the mirrors on this one, but now we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take off these door handles and install some Morimoto handles that have the white light for when he's driving and then the turn signal when he turns signal. So we have to literally take every door apart from this vehicle, run new wires into the inside to be able to get this to do what it has to do to get these signals for these new pods that we're adding to this vehicle. So it could be a big journey. Thank God the boots on this one are pretty thick, and for you guys that run wires, you know what I'm talking about. But this is gonna be coming apart very shortly to start getting these installed. Stay tuned. Y'all, so y'all can get an update of what's going on. So this is what the new handles look like. They used to be chrome, now they're color max, and they got the DLR. So they can have a white light and a turn signal on this. The guys are completely ripping the car apart, as you can tell. To do this job, you can see they got the wires running in here already. Now they got to do all the zip tying and all that stuff, but this will be done shortly, and they got the back one already done too on the driver's side. So this is what the mirror looks like. This is what the new handle looks like. They got it installed, and they got the wire they're gonna be running now. So now Josh is getting ready to start disassembling the vehicle to get this all situated and going. While we have Gordo over here, this is a beautiful truck, man. American Force wheels, dually. He's got a killer truck. The color, the badass tailgate. If y'all don't know what this is, look at this. You can hit that. You got some cargo that needs to be locked in, it'll lock it in. Or you can hit the other button. And, okay, where's my button at? See, I'm not too good with this, guys. Here we go. And now you have a handle. When you get in here, you can actually just hit this up. And now it gives you a handle to be able to step on and get up on the truck. So it's pretty badass what they've done with these trucks, man. But let me show you what they're doing over here on this side. Gordo's already getting this ready. You could tell he already got the other handle because there's a little screw right here, right, Gordo? Show the guys, there's a little screw that goes right here. Lets you remove this handle. He's actually in the process of installing the new one, but the screw comes out, handle's installed. Stay tuned. Look at the one in the front, so look at the original handle. Y'all see he's beginning to do the removal. When he gets in here, there's a screw located here. He removes the screw, and releases the lock that locks it in here, and allows you to get your handle out. So stay tuned. All right, we're walking back in. Gordo, give us an update. What we got going on? I see they're looking good. So let's see what, oh, now we got the turn signals, y'all. So y'all can see turn signals are on. Show them the turn signals again. Turn signals are on. So you see that everything matches together. Boom, turn signals are on. And then when he's driving, so he got the white lights here that we put on. He's matching with his handle. So you can see exactly what he was going for. This is what it is. It is now coming together by yours truly. So you can see we still got it in pieces. They're getting everything organized. But this is what it's looking like on that crazy build. On top of that, let me show you some more cars. We got this car coming in today. A great friend of mine, Christian SRT. We're gonna be doing his tire stickers on this bad boy. They got some lights and some other stuff that came in, but this one's gonna be getting some nice tire stickers on this beautiful SRT, man. So stay tuned. It's Life with Christian. So the Life with SRT Rob, or the Christian Life SRT, man. Cool dude, man. But we're about to get these rolling. Cruise Crew, we are finishing this Denali right now as we speak. We actually got the door panels back in. They're working on putting all the other panels back on the car, as you could tell. But this car's coming together. Low class Josh right there in the building.
It's just cruel now.
No, it's just Josh Cruel now, okay? Yeah, but this car is completely done. Killer truck, man. American Forge. Beautiful wheels. It's a beautiful truck. We've done everything on this car, from the corner lights here to the mirrors to every conversion on this car has been done here at AUDIOZONE. It's a privilege and honor to be able to get this done, but this is over with. The lights are on. In fact, let me show y'all again here. We got the lights on, and then whenever he has his signals on, he now has signals like the Escalade right there on his door. So that's what the customer wanted. This build's done. Onto the Jeep. Cruise Crew, we're here with the owner of the beautiful Denali truck that y'all saw the build of all the other lights that we've done to it. Today we did those handles. It was a killer idea. It looks amazing. It looks clean. This is Mr. David Kelly, man, for the channel today. Tell everybody about, you know, what made you buy this truck first of all?
Man, I always wanted a dually, man. That's the truck I always wanted.
Big boy truck.
Big boy truck. So I decided to get a dually, man, and
I remember when you first bought it, she was bone stock,
It
and
was
she
bone
came to
stock,
AUDIOZONE for
bro.
the first time. We
Yeah.
did the radio, the music, all the lighting. I mean, pretty much everything that truck's been done here at the store. So we want to thank him for coming here. Now he got the handles, which on this video y'all have already seen. But they want to tell you thank you for coming by the shop and give the chance to serve you, man.
Oh, no problem,
It's always
man.
a
Appreciate
pleasure
you,
for me,
man.
man. My question
Real.
is, what's been your experiences so far dealing with AUDIOZONE and me?
Man, I've been coming to Auto. They did my Tahoe, so I always come to him, man.
Been a
He
long
doing-
time. You've
been
had
a
that
long
one for over a
time.
year now.
Yeah, I had that Tahoe for a long time, man. So, but this, I just wanted somebody to do it right and do it good for me, man. They do a good job for me, man.
Man,
So,
you know what? There's nothing else that to be said, man. So we're grateful for that. We're gonna continue the video and we get this SRT out of here with these tire stickers and close up the day. Because at this point in time, we also got the Jeep done. I'm just gonna give you a little look at what it is. But here it says, made y'all look with little red, man. It's just a beautiful SRT, man. You already know Christian here. Chris, your vehicle's ready. So tell us what you're feeling right now. Besides your fallopian tubes jumping.
Man, say, you know, you can't get it no better than this here, man. Can't get it no better. Y'all already see, man, what it is. You know, I'm talking about the 2010 SRT 8, man. You know, I'm talking about my boy, you know, I'm talking about Dept, man. I hit AutoZone. Just hook me up, man. Y'all already see it, man. Don't play with it, man. Come on out here, man. Holler at it. You know what I'm saying? Let him do some work for you, man. Because, you know, he going to take care of you, man.
Cool.
Number
We're gonna do
family,
that.
man. Number family.
Well, you know what? With that being said, y'all already got his Instagram and everything, man. Give him the share, like, and subscribe. Always support the group. That support us, man. That's what we ask for y'all. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support you guys giving us. Y'all be good and God bless.